Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vishal. My topic is about collapsible water bottle. Designing a collapsible water bottle requires a balance between functionality, probability, and sustainability. This concept outlines the key features and design principle for creating an innovative and user-friendly collapsible water bottle. A collapsible water bottle is a portable, flexible container designed for carrying liquid, primarily water. Unlike traditional plastic or material bottles, collapsible bottles are made from materials like silicone, TPU, BPA-free plastic. Their unique design allows them to be compressed or folded when not in use, reducing their size significantly. Some advantages are probability. Collapsible water bottles are lightweight and can be compressed or folded when not in use. This makes them incredibly portable and ideal for travel, outdoor activities, and daily amenities. Second one is eco-friendly. Choosing a collapsible water bottle elegance with sustainable living. By using a reusable bottle, individuals can significantly reduce their consumption of single-use plastic bottles. Durability. Despite their flexible design, collapsible water bottles are designed to be durable and consumer resistant. Versatility. Collapsible bottles are sustained for various beverages, not just water. Users can use them for juice, smoothies, or even hot water, hot drinks. Leak, leak proof. Modern collapsible bottles often come with advanced seals mechanisms to prevent leaks and spills. Hygiene. Collapsible bottles are typically made from materials resistant to odors and mold, promoting hygiene and ensuring that beverages stored in the bottle remain fresh. And some disadvantages are durability concern. While collapsible bottles are designed to be durable, they may not be as long lasting as traditional rigid bottles made from materials like stainless steel or glass. Limited insulation. Collapsible bottles may not provide the same level of insulation as dedicated insulated bottles. Cleaning challenges. Some collapsible bottles have narrow opening, making them more challenging to clean, especially if you are using them for thicker beverages like smooths. Potential for collapsing when full. If not properly sealed or secured, collapsible bottles can collapse or fold when filled with liquid. Price. High quality collapsible water bottles made from premium materials can be relatively expensive compared to disposable plastic bottles. While they are cost effective or the long term, the initial investment can deter some user, not sustainable, not suitable for freezing. Most collapsible bottles are not designed to be frozen, as the expansion of water when it freezes can damage the bottle structure. Initial odor. Some collapsible bottles may have a slight initial odor due to the materials used. This can be resolved by raising and airing out the bottle before use.